News 7x7 is a unique channel dedicated to the news from dairy industry. Every week you receive brief on top 7 dairy news on this YouTube channel from India and abroad. These news could be seen in detail on our channel dairynews7x7.com also. You may write in the comment box on the dairy topics of your interest. We will try to develop news feature on the same. Your constant feedback and patronage to this channel is our source of inspiration. Top 7 dairy news from the week of 3rd January 2022 will cover milk procurement prices in flush surges as the milk availability is less. No offer from India to Australia on lowering duties on dairy products in the FTA. From Amsul Taja to Amul kitchenwares, Amul has to fight with them all. The prices of Vijaya milk in Telangana have gone up. Top 10 flavors of Ben & Jerry's in 2021 declared. 3 global trends in food and beverage in 2022. And global dairy prices as on 4th January 2022. The rise in milk procurement prices in the flush season, though a good news for the dairy farmers, is pressurizing processing companies to pass on the hike to consumers. Market sources said this year milk supplies in the flush season were 20 to 25% lower than last year, which has affected procurement rates as well. As a result, several state milk cooperatives along with private companies have either raised retail milk rates or are looking to do so in coming weeks. Cow milk purchase price across India since November had been quoting at Rs 29 to 30 per litre, while they were 26 to 27 per litre during the same period in 2020. The buffalo milk was selling on an average at 41 to 42 per litre, while last year it was at Rs 39 per litre. SMP prices have improved from Rs 230 to 240 per kg last year to 250 to 260 per kg currently. Milk supplies this year in flush are down due to multiple reasons, including farmers investing less in cattle, higher feed prices, lockdown during April-June, and poor feeding and fewer animals were inseminated from March to May 2021. Milk production will rise at a slower rate of less than 3% in FY22 as against CAGR of 5.6% in last few years. India has not made any offer to Australia on lowering duties on agriculture and dairy products as part of the proposed FTA, said officials. Negotiations have focused entirely on mutually beneficial item of trade. Earlier, Australia has offered to give tariff concessions to 99% of its traded goods with India under the proposed bilateral free trade agreement in lieu of opening up of India's dairy and agriculture sectors through low or zero tariffs. Canberra is keen to export dairy products, grains, oilseeds and processed food to India. The two sides intend to complete the talks for an interim deal called early harvest in trade parlance by the end of this month. However, industry experts cautioned about opening sensitive sectors like dairy and agriculture as they are huge employers. Once sensitive sectors like dairy and agriculture are opened for Australia, others like the EU and the UK too will seek market access and make our products uncompetitive. Homegrown dairy giant Amul is busy fighting legal battles against brand copycats in metros like Mumbai and Delhi. Around 4 brands selling milk and dairy products with artwork, design, motif, color scheme and fonts on pouches, packages similar to that of Amul have surfaced in Mumbai, Delhi NCR and UP markets. In fact, proprietor of a Palghar-based firm has submitted an undertaking in the Bombay High Court stating that he was selling Amsul Taja deceptively similar to Amul Taja, a registered trademark owned by the Kara District Union, popularly known as Amul Dairy. Amul has also filed suits in Delhi High Court against a firm selling kitchenware and utensils like Amul pressure cooker and another firm that manufactures, sells and deals in paint brushes, roller, putty knives and other products with Amul and KBI Amul marks. The prices of Vijaya brand dairy milk have gone up in Telangana from January 1, 2022 due to rise in the production cost. While the prices of toned milk and double toned milk have been increased by Rs 2 per litre, the price of whole milk hiked by Rs 4 per litre. According to a statement issued by the Telangana Federation, the price of double toned milk will go up from Rs 44 to Rs 46 per litre, cow milk and toned milk from Rs 48 to Rs 50 per litre, standardized milk from Rs 52 to 54 per litre and whole milk from Rs 62 to Rs 66 per litre. Ben and Jerry's fans look forward to this time of year with great anticipation for the release of the ice cream company's list of top 10 flavors. Ben and Jerry's is an aspiring social justice company that believes in a greater calling than simply making and selling the world's best ice cream. The company produces a wide variety of super premium ice cream and non-dairy vegan desserts using high quality ingredients and lots of big chunks and swirls. Ben & Jerry's is distributed in more than 35 countries. The top 10 flavors of 2021 are as follows: half baked, cherry Garcia, chocolate chip cookie dough, chocolate fudge brownie, tonight dough, strawberry cheesecake, fish food, Americone dream, chunky monkey, and brownie batter core. A number of new trends in food and beverage segment spell opportunity for new product development within the dairy space. First one is related to gut health or immunity. On March 11, 2020, the WHO declared COVID-19 a pandemic. So it should come as no surprise that gut health and its role in boosting immunity is a major trend on several lists. A number of dairy products already are associated with gut health in the fermented milk categories. So innovative proactive solutions to gut health and immunity should be a logical and potentially lucrative product development focus for dairy processors in 22. The second trend is better for you snacks. London-based ingredient supplier Tate & Lyle meanwhile calls out better for you snacking in its list of 6 key trends shaping consumer product innovation within the global food and beverage market. Consumers are prioritizing their health, the company notes. Better for you snacking products are an obvious choice to meet consumers' health needs. For dairy, this trend means opportunities tied to smaller portions. Many companies within the cheese space have been innovating here, less sugar and higher protein content. Third and the last trend is that consumer will expect more. Perhaps the most significant trend of all is what Innova Market Insights call voice of the consumer. Consumers are calling the shots and expecting more engagement from brands through digital and real-world channels. The research says dairy brands that make a real effort to listen carefully to and engage with their consumers could find inspiration for truly innovative products. The first global dairy trade event of 22 was held on January 4th and concluded with the GTT price index up by 0.3% at an average price of $4,247 per metric ton. The prices of other dairy commodities remains as AMF index down by 0.7% at a price of 6,668 per metric ton, butter index up by 0.3% at a price of $5,868 per metric ton, cheddar cheese index up by 4.9% at an average price of $5,487 per metric ton, S&P index up by 1% at an average price of $3,773 per metric ton, and whole milk powder index unchanged at an average price of $3,866 per metric ton.
Thanks for watching Daily News 7x7 channel with news update from last 7 days. To continue receiving update from this channel, I, Kuldeep Sharma, request you to subscribe this channel and share and like the video, and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.